Would that bother you, Coach, if you saw that Sam Darnold didn't throw at the combine and you're the Cleveland Browns and you're interested in him?
It wouldn't really bother me per se. I would have to get to the reason why. And so many of these kids get programmed. Their agent says you can't throw at the combine. You need to have your guys and your receivers that you're used to. We're going to do it on your time. Some of that happens, and the guys just get roped into it. I personally love the guys who chose to compete at the combine. I remember the very first one I went to, and I was a young coach with the Pittsburgh Steelers, and I asked one of our older scouts, Bill Nunn, I said, who's going to be the fastest guy here? Oh, it's a little kid from Texas A&I, Darryl Green. Darryl Green went out there, did everything you asked. When they said run the 40, he got up there in 2 seconds. He ran 4.25. And fast guys run fast, good throwers throw well. Guys who want to compete and do it at the highest level, they want to. Now, sometimes you have to work your way through that. You talk to a guy, hey, I wanted to. My coach told me not to. My agent told me not to. And sometimes that happens. But for me, I love the guys who said, you know what, the best are here. Everybody's here. I want to go. I want to show everybody what I can do.
If you were at the combine and you were sitting down with these quarterbacks, what would be the one thing that you had to know about them?
I want to know what type of leader they are, what type of person they are. Can they be someone who brings everybody together in the huddle on the team? How do they handle situations that are different and tough and pressure-packed? And you talk to people and you get that sense. That was the difference really between Peyton Manning and Andrew Luck. Not Andrew Luck, but Ryan Leaf. You talk to them. They both played well. They both had great senior years. But you just got the sense, hey, Peyton Manning is the guy who, everybody's going to look to, and he's going to pull everybody together. And that, to me, is the biggest thing you find out at a combine-type setting about quarterback.
For more Dan Patrick Show, tune to Audience Channel 239 on DirecTV or download the Dan Patrick Show app.